Welcome to your first anatomy class. Today we're going to be talking about the different structures that can be found within the mouth, or what we will also refer to it as the oral cavity. So here we have a side view of the oral cavity. Within the oral cavity, we have a few structures that we're going to zone in on. We have the tongue, which is going to sit right here. We have our teeth. These are lower teeth, and the upper teeth would be up here. We have our upper and lower lips. We have our alveolar ridge, which is right above the tongue. We have our hard palate, and then we have our soft palate directly behind the hard palate. Each of these structures are what we refer to as articulators, and articulators are basically the structures that allow us to form and make our letter sounds and words and syllables, things of that nature. Up next, we'll go over a few muscles that are a part of the mouth area. So we have our mentalis, which is down here. We have our zygomaticus major, which is right here. And we have our orbicularis oris, which is this muscle right here. So to start off, we'll talk about our orbicularis oris. This is our lip muscles, essentially. They allow us to pull our lips together and in, and a lot of other muscles also insert it. So basically connect to this muscle. So it's a super important facial muscle. Our next muscle is the zygomaticus major. It's located right here. This is one of the muscles that inserts into our orbicularis oris right at its corner. And so this muscle helps to elevate the corner of the lip. It pulls it upwards. And then lastly, we'll talk about the mentalis. This is this muscle right here, located on the chin, and this also elevates the chin, and it also pulls the lower lip outwards. It also wrinkles the chin. All of these structures play a role in how we articulate and make our letter sounds. So for example, to produce the sound, we would need to activate our orbicularis oris lip muscles by pulling them together. To produce the N sound, we would need to press our tongue up against our alveolar ridge. Hopefully that wasn't too bad for your first anatomy class. I hope you learned something new.